We're here today at Fox Sports Cards doing a box of NFL Triple Threads 2007. 2 mini boxes. Big hit per mini box. Fantastic product. It's cold here in Illinois, so we're wearing our coat. Just had an ice storm.
Let's see here.
Don't know if we can top the Terrell Owens pull in our last video, but
We'll try. Let's see here. We got a Chad Pennington, numbered to 1449.
a passer, not a thrower.
Yeah. We have an autograph of Steve Breston, numbered to 89. I think that's the gold version. Rookie card. Looks nice. Got a Lee Evans, numbered to 639. A Randy Moss, numbered to 199. Roger Staubach to 1449. And then a Vernius Coles to 1449.
Very, very nice. So this ought to be a triple relic
Yeah.
in the next mini box. Very nice looking base cards. A great product, I have to say. I love the triple threads.
Okay, let's see what we got. We got Algie Crumpler to 1449.
Recently released.
Yeah. Vince Young 1449. Vince Young to 639. Phillip Rivers to 639. Peyton Manning to 1449. Now really nice. Let's see here. 3-player. I don't know how many pieces, but a bunch. Marino, Favre, and Elway.
Oh, nice.
Numbered to 27. Very nice.
And we'll give you a close, tight shot of that in just a bit. This year's triple threads have numbered base cards just like last year's. They're beautiful in design. Rookie auto relic, very nice. And then the multiple relic, just a fantastic card.